I went to Tropical Hut in Escolta, Manila, Philippines for an afternoon snack some days ago. This used to be a super popular fast food chain back when I was a kid in the 80s and the 90s. I remember eating here even more often than at Jollibee or McDonald's back then. As the sign at the door says, Tropical Hut was founded way back in 1965. I don't know where the very first branch currently is though, or if that's still around. This is a homegrown Philippine fast food chain, similar to Jollibee. There are only very few branches left nowadays in 2022, not like during its heyday in the 80s and 90s when I was growing up. The interiors definitely have a retro feel. They updated their menu somewhat. They now have some fish options. I opted to order their OG menu items though. While I was waiting for the food to be served, I took a few snapshots of the vintage interiors. I ordered a Hawaiian burger, which is their classic hamburger with some mayo and a pineapple slice. I also ordered a spaghetti meal that came with a regular burger. I got the regular plain burger to go and ate the hamburger with the pineapple and spaghetti at the store. This is classic Filipino spaghetti. If you can see, the tomato sauce is very thick, almost solid. It's also very sweet. It's definitely maintained its classic nostalgic taste, but I got tired of eating the entire plate. So I took a break from the spaghetti to take some photos, and then I decided to eat the hamburger with the pineapple. Don't worry, I went back to the spaghetti after I finished eating the hamburger. This one also tasted just the same as it used to back in the 90s. This relic will definitely bring you back to the 90s with its dated decor, both the furniture and the color, the somewhat sticky floors, and the fact that the OG classics still taste the same. Since it was a hot afternoon, I decided to get a halo-halo for dessert. Halo-halo is a Filipino shaved ice dessert that comes in various permutations. This particular version that Tropical Hut serves has some ube ice cream and some pinipig. It's like toasted flattened rice, sort of like Rice Krispies up top. A small cube of leche flan, some cubes of jello, a small spoonful of actual ube aside from the ice cream. Ube is Filipino purple yam, and shaved ice at the bottom. Hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into a somewhat faded glory. What's your favorite Tropical Hut menu item? Please comment below. Please thumb up this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to be updated when I upload again. See you next video.